Wudu performance guide. Scene. Ayat observed that man who made wudu incorrectly, with water leaking everywhere as she rushes to pray, stand before Allah, and our salah is rejected just because our wudu was not done properly. Water spilling with a sudden splash. Ayat into hastily. Ayat, who is kind but serious. Man, wudu does more than merely splatter water. It purification for the soul and for prayer, the instruction. But I thought I did wudu right, said Manur, bewildered. Ayat. Let's proceed gradually. 1. Do 3 hand washes. 2. Wash your nose and mouth. 3. Cleanse your face. 4. Clean arms up to the elbows. 5. Clean your ears and head. 6. Wash your feet 3 times. Visual. Manu is shown in close-ups after each wudu step, and her face glows after wudu. A spotless prayer mat is ready. Ayat smiling. Salah is not recognized without wudu, but you shine in Allah's sight with it. I will always do proper wudu now, said Manu meekly. I want my salah to be significant encouragement from Ayat. That's my daughter. Every ounce of wudu cleanses sins. No fork. Take your time with wudu. Make it flawless because it will help you meet Allah and discover how to open gates of Jannah. Let's sing a brief dua. Following wudu in the upcoming video.